them buggers?
Cat food.
I mean, it's just had a cat food.
They don't just eat cat food, they eat...
Georgie, with curls like an Orthodox Jew.
You didn't see that on Monday, did you?
Yeah, wow,
Oh my God.
Oh, isn't it lovely?
It is, it's lovely.
They eat bugs and worms and
I can't
things
not
like
bother
that.
with it.
Not
Naughty
cats in it.
girls.
I'm surprised it's not scarred, to be honest.
I am as well.
It's probably fear of death, isn't it?
There's something wrong with it.
There can't be mine with it.
I don't know, she come out having a look just then. I just kicked her arse out the way.
No, he's alright, him. Or whatever it is.
Well, there were one more used to live it back there. It had 3 babbies with it.
Tiny little things, weren't
Yeah.
they? Funny.
Well, they're nice hedgehogs.
I don't like seeing them spotted in road.
No, I don't
Come
like
round
seeing.
here, George. You'll get better.
Don't like seeing any animal.
I hate seeing badgers in road.
Anything.
Hiya, mate.
Hiya, what time is it? It looks like he's nestling in for the night there.
I don't know.
Yeah, I wonder what he's doing down here during the day, because normally they're scampering about at night. And you?
Get away. Go on.
Where it seems comfortable where it is. See spikes come up then a touch.
Aye.
Can't see it, that.
Go on, Wes.
Bugger off, Wes.
I wonder if it's injured.
I don't know.
Because it'd be on its toes, that, wouldn't it, if you were...
I'm sure because they can't have shift.
Oh yeah, they can run when they want. We got a little plate or something, just
I've got
give
to say,
it some of that.
it's playing dead, isn't it?
Might be. But it's a big bugger.
Because normally, that'd be on its toes, but it's put its head down in like a submissive...
I mean, its eyes are open, it looks pretty with it. It's not
Is it?
like it's dozy her out.
Might have hit a mushy.
It might have been oh,
Might
shit.
have had magic, eh?
Doing Fantasy Island.
You're thinking, what the frig's going on?
Yeah.
Oh no, it knows it's there. It knows we're here. Keeping its head down.
I can smell that and all.
Well, I was just watering them just then, and I thought, what the fuck is that? And they were right there. You can sod off.
Something's up with it, like, you know.
I don't know.
You can smell food, can't you?
Oh,
That
shit,
says
I-
what you're doing, giving it my food.
Fucking greedies are after it.
I know he will know.
Well, that's good, isn't it? They've got bloody hedgehog on this and the cat's arsehole. Move, Wes. Go on, stick your nose on it.
It'll have you.
It'll have you.
No, it all that she's interested in. It's food. Look
She-
at her.
She
You
is.
greedy pig. Go on.
Wes, bugger off.
Greedies are all the same, aren't they?
I wonder if Carol will know.
I don't
Know
know.
what she's in.
Know what?